Hello, my sewing friends. I thought I would start a series of quick little tips telling you about things that I do that make my life easier when I sew. A lot of these you are probably familiar with, especially if you've been sewing for any length of time, but some of them you might not. And if you're new to sewing, you may not have heard of this, that, or the other thing. So I thought I would just share these with you and yeah, from time to time, and hopefully someone will go, oh, wow, that'll make my life easier. My first tip is this. When I'm sewing, I inevitably run out of bobbin thread. And it's just always at the worst time. So one way I alleviate this is to pre-wind a lot of one color or another. Usually it is white or black that I pre-wind. And I do this and I keep several. You can tell that I'm in desperate need of building up a supply of white ones. But I keep a supply because I don't want to have to stop in the middle of my project and wind a bobbin. Now, you can also buy them pre-wound, and you can get these at various places. These, I think, came in some stuff that I was given or I got in an auction or something, but it was a little box and it had white and black in it, but right now it only has black left because I've used a lot of them. But they're just white and black and they're pre-wound bobbins. And so it's just good to keep some like in supply so that when you need them, you can just grab them. Another thing I very often will do is do two of the same color. Like these are kind of the same color, these are kind of the same color. But I will do that just so that in my current project, even though I don't need like 10 of them, I might need 2. If I think I'm gonna run out of bobbin thread, then I'll wind 2, and that way I'll have 1 in case I do run out, and I will, if I don't run out, then I'll have 1 already wound for the next project. So that's my quick tip for today. Wind lots of bobbins, or have them on hand, at least in black and white, or colors that you commonly use, like you may use a lot of navy. That might be good too, but that may make your life a little bit easier. So that's it for now for me. I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.